Hey guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use SearchGPT by OpenAI. Now in this case, you might be wondering, how do you start using SearchGPT here by OpenAI? So just to give you some information here, SearchGPT is actually a new technology that was developed by OpenAI, which in this case allows you to search for different things on the web. So in this case, they will actually use the web as a means of generating answers for you, which in this case gives you more relevant information, especially if you want to be updated on certain things. So first things first is you need to search for SearchGPT here, since again it's not yet available for everyone. In this case, you're going to go to google.com here, just type in SearchGPT, press on enter. You should be able to see the OpenAI link here. It's going to say SearchGPT is a prototype of new AI. Let's go and open it up. It's going to say SearchGPT prototype. So currently, it is not, again, it's not yet available for everyone, but there is going to be some testing that you could actually, or some people they are doing right now. So you could actually join the waiting list here if you want one of the first one to actually access it. Let's click on join a waiting list. And from here, you just need to follow the steps for you to join. So in this case, click on sign in to join waitlist here. Log in into your account, and once you've actually logged in, you just need to go ahead and provide all the necessary details. So in this case, I'm going to use my Google account here. Let's go ahead and log in. And once we are logged in, we should be able to see the section here. Click on join the waitlist. It's going to say you're on the waitlist. So typically they will be notifying you via email if you are, or if you successfully join the SearchGPT program here. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.